Hello, in this video I'll be covering the process of activating and accessing Single Touch Payroll in Sybiz Visipay, a necessary process for submitting STP reports. The information in this video and more can also be found on our website at sybiz.com/STP. Single Touch Payroll can be activated and deactivated as needed. There are only a limited number of scenarios where you might need to deactivate STP, such as when you wish to generate Payment Summary annual reports. Single Touch Payroll activation is managed by going into the File menu, select Options, click on Tax Details, and then you'll see the tick box under Single Touch Payroll. If you've never used Single Touch Payroll before, activating it will generate a unique BMS ID for your company, so I'll just activate that now. You'll then need to include a contact name and email address for STP management. This might be your payroll manager or another manager. The company name in your database should also match the name associated with your ABN. You can check this via abr.business.gov.au. Now, before we can begin reporting, there are a few pieces of information we need to ensure are complete and accurate. First, the allowances need to be categorized according to STP standards. You can access allowances by clicking on the File menu, selecting Lookups, clicking on Payroll, and selecting Allowances. If we have a look at one, we can see that the allowance categories are those assigned by the ATO: car, laundry, meals, transport, travel, and other. If you have any categories allocated in Sybiz Visipay that aren't to one of these ATO standard options, other will be selected by default. You'll need to change these manually before processing STP. An employee is able to have up to 20 other categorized allowances each financial year. Activating Single Touch Payroll will also cause Sybiz Visipay to display warnings for information required for STP reporting. So for example, our employee names, their address, and tax file number. We'll just take a look at one now. And you can see that there are warnings here where Amy needs an address for STP requirements. We also need the tax file number and a first and last name. If during the course of the year you have changed employee numbers in Sybiz Visipay after you have started submitting STP data, this could result in a doubling up of data being sent to the ATO. Although Sybiz Visipay warns against changing employee numbers when you're reporting via STP, it is not prevented, as sometimes it's necessary to change employee numbers, or for one person to have two employee records. Employees will be able to see if there's a doubling up of data in their MyGov account. If they're not checking their MyGov information on a regular basis, they won't be able to alert you of any duplication until it's too late. Even if you haven't changed employee numbers during the year, now might be a good time to encourage your employees to check their information on MyGov in the ATO section under View My Income Statements. For more information about managing Single Touch Payroll with Sybiz Visipay, visit sybiz.com/STP. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Sybiz.